Hey guys, Mike with Gettin Greasy Garage, cleaning up hardware here for the LS turbo motor, parts and hardware. Just going through everything, cleaning it up. A lot of this stuff because that motor was together and painted up before, but you take fasteners in and out, paint gets chipped up. I still got to clean those up yet, but I just want to show you guys how I go about it. Now, everybody's different. And I do have a blast cabinet over there on the other side of the shop, but most of the time I just use my cordless drill, and I'll use a screwdriver. I just chuck the bolt up in the drill, spin it kind of like, almost like turning something on a lathe, and this just knocks the paint off. The easiest way I've found is to do it this way. And voila, paint's gone. Hit a little wire brush real quick. Let's fall off. And as you can see, bolt head's clean of paint. Take it out. Next one. I got a whole pile here left to do and a couple more over here. But everything's organized. So I can finish getting the motor back together, cleaned. Clean all my rockers, my push rods, my rocker stands, all my remaining head bolts to stick in. Still got to torque the heads. Got some of the other head bolts are in primer, and then I'll go ahead and put them in the engine and torque them up to a banana peel from lunch. So yeah, just everybody says these motors look great when they're all done and painted up, and this stuff takes time. It's all time, and if you're not doing it yourself, you're paying somebody to do it. And so I like them to look good. That's just the way I go about it. Yes, it does add some hours to building an engine, putting an engine together, but as you've seen, like with the Fairlane motor, turbo motor, other motors on my channel and my other channels, that's how you get them to look how they do. I guess in a perfect world, you could buy all new fasteners, say from ARP or somebody, and you wouldn't have to spend the time cleaning this stuff up. But around here, you got your wire brush and your cordless drill or your sandblasting cabinet, and you clean this stuff up. Once everything's done, I generally clean it up with brake clean and rags, or I'll soak it in a coffee can full of mineral spirits. It's always a good one. It's cheap. Brake clean is not exactly cheap anymore. It's up to $6 a can here. So I try to be sparing with it, but it's just what it takes to put a motor together. Even if I just clean this stuff up and I don't paint it, you have to have clean bolts to go in an engine. That's just a fact of the way it is. And so, anyway, guys, that's what I'm up to today. I got the YouTube going in the background with some racket and cleaning bolts. So, alright, well, that's all I got for now. I'm going to get back to this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Again, if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. If you would, please hit that like, share, and subscribe buttons. It doesn't cost you anything. Really helps out the channel. I'll see you in the next one.